as we are stepping into 2023. See stars. Hey, please, Ejo, Emma Binubiko, let's not take these things to 2023. It is very important. These trends are not necessary. They are what? They are not necessary. Not classy. Yes, I know some people will be like, you people will come for me like, who is this one that want to tell us what is classy and what is not classy? Welcome to my channel. It's another beautiful day, and it's about time for 2022 to what? Come to an end. And I feel like these things need to be addressed. Yes, these things need to be addressed. This is my opinion, personal opinion. And I feel like if you've seen these trends, you would understand why I just have to rant about this. So that being said, number one thing we really need to ensure doesn't follow us. Sisters, look at my lips, read it. Yes, Nigerians, sisters, please. Number one is it edges they call it? Edges or frontals. That one, yes, that one, that particular one that you do with your own natural hair, that it will, okay, are you seeing it? That one that you will bring out, it want to enter your eyebrows because you are doing edges. That one, that very one, please, is not. I don't know if it look cute on you guys. It look cute on some persons, but some of you really abuse it. You overdo it. It ends up not looking natural. It's not too much of everything they say is bad. Please, I make hair, I style hair, and I know what I'm saying. You people like it, it's good, it's fine. Do it on your weave-ons, on your frontals, it's fine. But sometimes when you now do it on your natural hair, ha, sister, come closer. You look am now. Check it very well. Check it. That thing, it dey fine well well. They be like natural. You will just bring your hair, now bring it here. Do like this. Come down like this. Come down. Please minimize it. Even if you must do it, make it as natural as possible. Yes, I see it everywhere I turn to. I see it, and I'm like, these things need to be addressed. And if you know you are warned that you like it so much, please just ensure you minimize the way you do it averagely. Like, just reduce it. Thank you as you do so. I know some of you might like, who is this one that want to talk to us on this? But my sister, it is important I say some of these things. It's very important. That's one. Number two, this headband TikTok girls, YouTubers used to use for videos for hair. It has not ended here. I am seeing it all over the streets. Hey, again, we dress up like properly dressed. You will put the band for head. Pink, white, red, yellow, green. You will not put it on your head. You put it like, you use it to really dress properly, and you go out. My dear, that's not the function of that thing. When the use of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. So I feel like, okay, let me just say that some of you don't really know. Some of you don't really know what it is used for. So let me just enlighten you. That thing is not for dressing up. It's not for act. It's not meant for outdoors. It's actually meant for indoors. Like you're styling your hair, you want to do your makeup, you just put the band, and then so that your makeup doesn't stain your hair. So you just put it, then afterwards you remove it. Maybe, my dear, it is actually not for stepping out. It's not for dressing out. Please. I know I've stepped on some toes right now. You're angry, like, who is this girl? Who is this lady that want to talk to us? Please, it's not nice. It's not sexy. It's not classy. It's not cool. 2023. Please ensure you don't continue with these trends. It's not nice. Like, I've seen it a lot of times, and I'm like, what is this? Is it that these people don't know what this thing is used for? So I just feel like it's important I speak out, I speak up, and you all understand. I know you understand what I'm talking about. And yeah, that's my second. And the third one is extremely, the third thing here, the third thing that needs to end in this 2022 and not follow us over to 2023 is extremely long hair. Like, you all, you don't understand what I'm saying. Like, this thing actually is one of the reasons that prompts me to film this video. I saw a lady, okay, a long hair. The hair was long past her buttocks and then almost reaching to her legs. Like, I don't know how fashionable that is for some ladies, but trust me, that is not classy. That's not sexy. That's not nice. And it's not all about, okay, I like it is long. It's just the disadvantage to that. You know, in your heart of hearts, you don't have a car. Let me arrange my hair well. In your heart of hearts, you are not Kim Kardashian. You don't have a car. You know you fly Okada, you fly bike. You will carry yourself and go and do long hair. Do you know that this girl almost had an accident today because of that hair? Like, the hair was so long that it entered, what do you call it? The tire. Like, I don't know if I'm over talking right now, but this thing is very important. She almost had an accident today because the hair was extremely long and it entered the rims of the tire. I don't know what they call it. Oh, it entered and oh, please, ladies, please, we can do better. We can do better. Africans, Nigerian ladies, we can do better. Please, it's too much. Doing of excess, overdoing of things. Moderation is very important. Long hair, 18 inches, 25 inches is cool, 30 inches is cool, but this one that is now getting to your legs, me, I don't understand how is it beautiful like that? Something that would cost your life at the end of the day. Please, ladies, let's say goodbye to some of these things. All right. That's number 3. This guy's talking too much. I'm talking too much. I'm ranting. Sorry, but I have to say these things. It's very. If I don't say it, if some people don't address these things, people will feel like it's normal. And ladies, how will you just wear tight? I'm not talking about, when I say tight, I mean tight, 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 tight. Is supposed to be another way. It's funny, right? How will you just wear tight out? Like, if you really need to wear something short, why don't you just wear bomb shorts or wear a short gown? That is not nice. Wearing of tight, like tight, the underwear tight. Somebody wear it and wear top. Please, let it not happen. Let this trend not continue in 2023. Let's beat them farewell in 2022. Please, sisters, we can do better. Okay, so that's for that. Then the next one is extremely long eyelashes. Hey, I know I'm talking too much, but I need to be honest with you guys. Extremely long eyelashes. Some persons don't even have their eyelids, like they don't have lashes again because they've literally removed the natural one God has given to them. Like, you want something artificial, you want it to be long, I understand. That extremely long one, ha, ha. That one is by the way. Oh, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, please do not make it your last. I do more of DIY videos, hair video, braid wigs videos, hair tutorial videos, and this is one of my work. I made this, and it is something you want to make yourself. you can head onto my channel. I'll drop a link in the description box and on the pinned post, first comment in this video on how to make this. I made it from, if you want to know, it's actually a wig. So if it's something you want to make, please just head on to the first comment in the comment section. I'll put in a link on the video of how I made this from scratch, from start to finish. So girl, thank you all for watching. 2022 is going to be a better year for all of us. I just want to tell that girl that has been watching my video that you can do it. No matter what, you can do it. That lady that is watching my video, no matter what, you can learn something. It's very important to have a skill, and this is why this bridge the gap. You don't necessarily have to go to a salon or to go to an academy to learn how to make hair. That is why I'm here for you. So if it's something that you really want to do, please just ensure that you watch every video that I post. And if there's anything you would want me to explain more on, or any video you want me to make or create, you can actually drop it in the comment section. um I just want to tell you that you can actually do it. You can be better. Just keep working on yourself. Keep making that hair. Keep doing it. Keep doing it, and you become perfect. Rome was not built in a day. I just want to encourage you that you can. You don't necessarily have to physically go to a shop to learn. If your heart is in it, you can do it. You can, because at the end of the day, your mind, your body, your hands cannot go somewhere your mind hasn't gone to. So what am I saying in essence is that you have to put your heart to it. You have to say yes, I'm going to be learning this. And if you've not taking out if you've not taken out time, you've not been intentional about learning a skill, even if it's not the hair that I'm actually putting on my channel, if it's something else, you've not put your mind to it, please ensure you just put your heart to it, and the learning process becomes easier because your mind has been opened up to it, and then before you know it, you just find yourself doing what you felt like you're not able to do in the shortest period of time. I want to just encourage your girl, keep doing it, keep doing it. You will be better, you will become better, and you become better, and you become the best version of you. I love you all. Thank you for stopping by. And for Almost Styles, expect more videos in 2023 by God's grace. Um, any video you want me to drop, any hair tutorial videos you are confused about, you can actually put it in the comment section, and I'll ensure by God's grace that I make such videos so that others too can learn. Yeah, so I just want to put a smile on that girl's face and that woman's face. Whatever you're finding challenging, you can actually do. There is power in our thoughts. Imagine when the people were about to build the Tower of Babel, God saw it in their heart that because they had it in their mind, like they were really, really wanting to do it, and God knew that they were going to actually succeed. So imagine if God, like, reason human that if they put something in their heart to do, they can actually do it and succeed. So you should know the power of thoughts. You should know the power of unity. You should know the power of your mind. Do you understand? So God had to put confusion by different language. God had to put confusion by bringing in different tongues and tribes and languages and all of that. So what am I saying is that, in essence, if you put your heart to do a thing, trust me, by God, with God on your side, you are going to make that thought come to a reality. I'm talking too much already, but I don't know why I'm saying this. I think, and I feel like somebody really needs to hear it. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Thank you for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.